one of the last known photographs of the Titanic, before it sank on 15th April 1912 in the North Atlantic Ocean. Titanic had set sail on 10th April 1912 on a maiden voyage and was en route from Southampton to New York City. Robin Williams dressed as a cheerleader during the 1980s. Known for films such as Good Will Hunting and Dead Poets Society, sadly he left us on 11th August 2014. The original Star Wars cast before they started shooting for the films. Star Wars was created by George Lucas and has been a worldwide pop culture phenomenon since its inception.
The Gadget, the first atomic bomb, 1945. It was of the same design as the Fat Man bomb, later detonated over Nagasaki, Japan on August 9, 1945.
Two geniuses in their own fields, Charlie Chaplin and Albert Einstein. This photo was taken at the premiere of the film City Lights, which starred Charlie Chaplin in lead role. Steve Jobs and Bill Gates having a chat over the future of computers. In a recent interview, Bill Gates told that Jobs was a genius who had a natural magnetism as a leader that Gates himself wishes he could have copied.
Marilyn Monroe filming her iconic scene in The 7-Year Itch. This shot was taken in New York in front of a large crowd of bystanders and press to create hype in 1954. Steve McQueen and James Coburn serving as pallbearers at Bruce Lee's funeral on 20th July 1973. A man wore this sign on his back, hit the road, traveling from place to place, hoping to find some work. During the Great Depression, millions of people were out of work across the United States and United Kingdom. Austrian boy receives new shoes during World War II. This photograph is of an orphanage where the American Red Cross had sent clothes and shoes for the children. A sailor kissing a nurse in New York's Times Square. This iconic photo symbolizes the end of World War II, 1945. People say that the nurse was completely a stranger. Da Vinci's Mona Lisa is returned to the Louvre Museum after World War II. An invasion of France was sure to bring destruction of cultural treasures. So, a secret plan was crafted to evacuate almost all of the Louvre's art, which included 3,600 paintings alone. A mother shows a picture of a son to a returning prisoner of war. 1947. Residents of West Berlin showing their children to their grandparents on the eastern side. May 9, 1961. The building of the Berlin Wall divided families and neighborhoods in what had been the capital of Germany. The Microsoft staff in 1978. Bill Gates and Paul Allen can be seen in the front row at both the ends. Disneyland Employee Cafeteria in 1961. Construction of Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The statue was completed on October 12, 1931. Leo Tolstoy telling a story to his grandchildren in 1909. His book War and Peace is considered one of the greatest books ever written in the history of mankind.